Outer road me say, Babylon say jail for me, but the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, drop and control the destiny. Outer road me say, Babylon say jail for me, but the judge say bail for me. Yes, my people, big up yourself. As they say, Vybz Karter FREED. Yeah, man. That one, you know, world boss. Free, you know. Really, we never touch on topic bank cartel yet. We just all just go and watch. Because now he's free. I have to big him up. Yeah, man. And you kick back and you go watch some of them things them. And how him go how him roll. Yeah, we man come out and roll away, you know. Man come out with that impact, you know. Man, now watch it pray and check it out. Vybz Karter, man come as the man. So don't play. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, my people. And make we watch Vybz Karter now. Big up.
See Vybz Karter here? See how here? Don't catch it down. See Vybz Karter here? Big up Real Boss! Big up Real Boss! Big up the Real Boss! Yo! The man thing low! Yeah, the man thing low now!
Yes, my people. Wanna really think. Man rolling. Man come out as Real Boss. Yeah, man, I just seem to come and pick up back him thing. Yeah, man, watch man girl though. Yeah, watch man lady. Yeah, keep on yourself, people. Man come out with that impact. You don't even attack certain things, cause you don't even want to jump in a him thing deep to deep. You just want to now watch and see and learn. Yeah, man. Adi is out. Yeah, man. Adi is out. Big up. As me say, you know, so the man of the artist thing I road as in step through the prison gate. The man of the artist thing when the moment in the so boom and lift up in your eye if you come out. The thing big. Yeah, man. And I see them come pick him up in a level and them think the excitement. We tell him to do the music and the video and a bag of thing. Yeah. People them believe in him and people them done they love him from day one. So we're glad them free. Yeah, man, every man for free. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Vybz Karter all the time. But
Stretch them up with the boss. Well, stretch. Oh, you mean? Fully active. Fully, my teacher.